Sum function adds up the values of a specific column. Say for example, you want to know the total sales in the cart table. But before we create our query, let's change first the data type of the column date into a date data type instead of date time. So our query will look like this. Select sum, open parenthesis, amount, closing parenthesis, from cart. Our query means ito-total niya ang column na amount. Now let's see the result. As you can see, we have a total of 90 pesos. What if you want to know sino-sino ang mga clients and magkano ang amount na pinamili nila? Now edit your query into this. Select sum, amount, from, cart, group by, client ID. As you can see, we now have 3 rows in our result set. The problem is, di natin alam kanino tong values na to. Again, edit your query and add this client ID. As you can see, each client bought 30 pesos worth of items in our store. For now, ganito muna na naka-client ID. In the future lessons, instead na ID, name ng clients ang naka-display sa result. Kasi this one needs a query from 2 tables. Paano naman if you wanted to know how much sales you have per day? So we can edit our query into this. Select client ID, comma, sum, amount, from, cart, group by date. Or let's add date. So select date, comma, client ID, comma, sum, amount, from, cart, group by date. Now this one looks good. Now we know that on this day, this client purchased this item for this amount. Same goes here and here. The next function you will learn is min and max. As their name suggests, min will retrieve the minimum value and max will retrieve the maximum value. For example, we wanted to know the maximum price we have. So our query will look like this. Select max price from items. Now run the query. So 50 pesos ang pinakamataas natin na presyo. Pwede din natin dagdagan ng alias to. Then run again. For the min function, same lang din, so let's change it to min. Ito naman ang pinakamura nating presyo, 1.5 pesos. Oops, let's change the alias for this one. Remember na we did this sa previous topics natin, sa order, buy, and limit. But using this max and min functions are way more easier. So that's all for this video. If you have questions and clarifications, comment it down below. Thank you all for watching. Have a good day.